Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. My name's Clint. I'm Mystic Valley Designs. I airbrush custom model horses. Today we're going to be unboxing a package that just arrived. I have no idea what's in here. I know from the return address it's got model horses in it, so we're good on that one. So let's see what we've got going on in here, and just an inventory to make sure nothing's broken, damaged, etc. So my supplies, I've got a knife, a pair of scissors. I got something I call my production control sheet. Lets me know, what's going on with each individual model. So step number one, flip it around. Nothing rattles. That's a good sign. No puncture marks, no puncture wounds, no crush marks, no nothing like that. So everything should be pretty good in here. So let's slice this open and see what we've got and what we need to do to it. Okay, already I can tell that it's been very well packaged. Got lots of padding in here. No empty spaces for anything to slosh around in. Lots of bubble wrap, that's good. Lots of bubble wrap apparently. Oh wow, we got a big one here. This is a 1/6 scale. A traditional Briar or Peter Stone or Heartland would be 1/9 scale, 1 to 9. I believe this is going to be about 1 to 6. So a little bit larger than normal. Wow, this is nice. Okay. Very well padded. I really appreciate whoever did this. So let's get these off. Nice use of pool noodles here. Very nice. Super. No breaks. No obvious, got a little nib right there that can be sanded down, no big deal. Let's see. Tail, nothing broken. Good. No obvious seams that are separated or anything like that. So we are good on this one. Fantastic. Let's get rid of the rest of this stuff and see what else is in the box. That's it. One model. One big giant model. So everybody, that was it. No drama, no mess, no fuss. So let me contact the client and let them know that everything arrived safely. And we'll take it from there. So anyway, folks, thanks for tuning in. My name's Clint. I'm Mystic Valley Designs. I suppose I should get into the picture, huh? Anyway, hey, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Take care and peace out. Bye now.